Hello students, let's solve this question. We need to match the following columns. If you observe, column A has 3 options A, B, C. In column 2 we have 4 options P, Q, R and S. In column 1 there are some quantities F, A, B, T here. It's written here that T is time. V is written here as velocity. X is written here as displacement, and F is force, P is pressure, Rho is density. So the quantities in this expression, some of known and some are not known. For the above equation to be dimensionally correct, see if in column 2 if you observe, options P, Q, R has dimensions of A, B, C. Dimensions of A, B, C. So we need to match the following expression with the correct dimensions of A, B, C in this P, Q, R options. And option S, here it is saying that this is dimensionally incorrect. So we need to also check whether any of this option is dimensionally incorrect. Let's proceed. First, in the option A, I am observing F equal to A sine of BT. Now sine of any term, sine is a ratio of the sides of triangle. Sine theta is ratio of perpendicular by hypotenuse. So this should be a dimensionless quantity because it is a ratio of two sides. So this is a dimensionless quantity. For dimension of F, for this equation to be dimensionally correct, the dimension of F and dimension of this expression should be equal. And here we have two terms whose addition is performed. So after addition, the dimensions are not going to change, and these two terms should have same dimension, and that dimension needs to be equal to dimension of force. Now in first part, in the first expression, we have A here and it is multiplied with sine. Sine will be dimensionless, so the dimension of A should match with the dimension of force. Then only this expression may be dimensionally correct. Hence dimension of A is known to us. Now it needs to be equal to dimension of force. In option P, Q, R, if you observe the dimension of A given in option A, in option P, it's not matching with dimension of force. In option Q, it is again not matching with dimension force. Only in option R, it is matching with dimension of force. So there is a possibility that the option R is matching with A. Let us check for the other quantities in this expression. B here is multiplied with T and it is in sine. Sine of BT term is here. Sine has angle, sine always has an angle here. So angle is a dimensionless quantity. For that, B and T multiplied together will give you a dimensionless quantity. Hence B should be 1 by T in order that BT is the dimensionless quantity. So B should be 1 by T, which is correctly matched here. Now if you observe the third part, here we have V by C into ln dx. We need to give the dimensions of option C, dimension of value C. Now this V is given as velocity and there is a ln term. The log of any term, log of anything is dimensionless. So V by C, this V by C should be a dimension of force. V by C should be having dimension of force. So V by C should have dimension of force. So I can get the dimensions of C as dimensions of V, which is LT minus 1 divided by dimensions of force, which is MLT minus 2. MLT minus 2. So if you correctly observe this, L and L get cancelled out, T to the power minus 2 will come in numerator, then it will become T only and M inverse. And the same quantity is written here, same dimension is written here. So option A is correctly matching with option R. So I can write it here that option A is matching with option R. In column 1, option A is matching with columns 2's R. Now let's check for the option B. Here pressure is equal to P plus half rho V square plus G into X. Here G is written as G is gravity. G is gravity, A is acceleration here. So G is not mentioned. I will assume that G is gravity. And X is displacement here. Gravity has a dimension of LT minus 2. When multiplied with X, which is displacement, this term is not going to give me dimensions of pressure. This term is added to pressure. So for this equation to be dimensionally correct, all the terms which are added in pressure should have dimensions of pressure. But this term is not having dimensions of pressure. Hence, definitely this expression is dimensionally incorrect. So option B is dimensionally incorrect. Hence, I can match it with option S in the column 2. So B option is matching with option S. Now let's proceed further. In option C, I have x, which is given as displacement, is equal to AT plus expression. So this AT and this expression should have dimensions of displacement. This AT should have dimensions of displacement and T is time. For AT to have dimension of displacement, the dimension of A should be that of velocity, that is LT minus 1. When it is multiplied with time, then I will get displacement. So dimension of A should be LT minus 1 in option C. And if you observe option P here, this is not matching with this dimension. Option Q here, the dimension of A is given as dimension of velocity. So there is a possibility that C is matching with Q. Let's check for the B and C here. Now, if you observe, C into T is in ln term, and log of any term, that term should be dimensionless for its log 2 possible. So ln Ct is correct when Ct is dimensionless or C has a dimension of T inverse. If you observe option Q, yes, C is given here as T inverse. So dimension of C is correctly matching. Now let's check for dimension of B. Now this term ln of something is definitely going to be dimensionless by T. So this term is having a dimension of 1 upon time. So B should have a dimension of 1 upon time. Then only we can add this. So B should have a dimension of 1 upon time, which is given here. So option C is now correctly matching with option Q as we have checked. So now my final answer should be A is matching with R, then B is matching with S, then C is matching with Q. This should be the final matching of this question. Thank you.